This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
For a reliable cake base, weigh ingredients. Use 250 g plain flour, 200 g castor sugar, 125 g unsalted butter, 2 medium eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a half teaspoon salt, and 120 ml milk. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees C and prepare a 20 cm round cake pan by greasing the sides and lining the base with baking paper. Sift the dry ingredients together. Cream butter and sugar until pale. Add eggs one at a time. Then fold in the dry ingredients alternately with milk until smooth and uniform. Begin by creaming room temperature butter, about 20 degrees C, with sugar for 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture is pale and aerated. This builds structure. Add eggs one at a time and fold in sifted flour and baking powder alternately with milk, mixing only until combined to avoid developing gluten that makes cake dense. Pour batter into the prepared 20 cm pan, tap gently to release large air pockets. Bake at 175 degrees C for 25 to 30 minutes until a skewer is clean, then cool 10 minutes before turning out. If your cake turns out dense, check that butter and eggs were at room temperature and that you did not overmix. Cold ingredients and excessive mixing both tighten gluten. For lift, use about 1 teaspoon baking powder per 250 g flour. Excessive leavening can cause a rapid rise and a sunken center when it collapses. Overbaking dries a cake, so test with a skewer and remove when just clean. Cool completely, then wrap. Store at room temperature for 2 days or freeze layers up to 1 month.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.